boy Gerb's about to get on it. Show them that real quick. Look at that. Dude, Honda. The boy's decked out over here. All right, what is going on, everybody? Right in front of me here, we have Brandon. Say what's up, bro. Everybody say what up. And behind him, we have his 2012 Civic Si 9th Gen FB6. So today, we're gonna be doing a little interview with Brandon here, asking him a few questions. Why don't you tell him what you're running real quick? I mean, they could see for themselves, but give it a quick little rundown, bro. What do we got for modifications?
P2R throttle body spacer, eBay cold air intake, Koyo rad radiator. Let's keep remember the dang vent air, radiator hoses, Boomba torque dampeners. It's tuned on Honda, pseudo downpipe, NVIDIA M1 catback exhaust.
Guys, also I apologize if there's any noise. Obviously these guys over here are cutting the grass, but anyways, you have a cutie bushings, short shifter adapter, correct?
Serimoto short shifter adapter, Serimoto base bushings.
Why don't you tell them how long you have owned this car for, man?
I've had it since December. I have K-tuned slave and CMC on it too.
Your boy knows the K-tuned is one of the best CMCs, bro. How do you like it? Do you like it?
I love it.
Absolutely.
It was worth $200.
Thinking you would come into the Honda game was kind of crazy because, you know, you said you even hated Civics before this, right?
Oh, I hated all foreign. I looked all muscle. I was all
Why did you hate them though? It's just because was it because the, you know, like the fanboy stance, or was it the Ricer shenanigans?
The Ricer shenanigans and the sound of the people getting them cheap eBay fart cam mufflers. I just didn't like the sound of them until I got this one and test drove it, and I loved it. I fell in love right away.
Fell in love. Now, driving the 9th Gen Si, obviously you love this car, great car, whatever, you like the power, it's fun. What other cars were you considering buying other than the K24 right in front of us here?
Well, I was looking to get a 4-door, somewhat sports car.
Yep.
I was checking WRX, of course the Civic, Evo. I think what else?
Was it STI?
Yeah.
In an STI, right?
Yeah.
You know, I definitely agree with the list that you chose, man. I mean, Evos are nice, Subarus are nice cars, but I feel like, you know, for half the cost, you can make this thing just as fast. And if you keep NA, I'm not saying supercharger is unreliable or whatever, but you're gonna have the power and you're gonna have the reliability. So I think you made a pretty good choice with the K series, man. All right, so summing it up before I get to drive it, super stoked. The final question comes down to this, man. I ask everybody this question. Where do you see yourself with this car in, we'll say 2 years from now? Do you plan on having this car 2 years from now?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna keep it forever.
Forever, you guys hear that, forever. So what do you think you like? Obviously you have the bolt-ons right now. You have the bolt-ons, Honda. Where do you see this car in 2 years from now?
I'd like to boost it, but putting the money into it. So of course, fuel.
You know, RDX 410s probably.
And probably just keep it NA.
NA?
Be all motor.
What about any drop-in cams? Are you gonna mess with any cams or?
Maybe. I don't know what I would get though, because I'm still learning about it.
Right, it's tough to say. So pretty much NA, reliable setup, solid 220, 230 horsepower.
Yeah,
nice, hell yeah. But we're gonna come into the interior right here, and bam, look at that. You said you put these on?
Yeah.
Those look really good. It's like a carbon fiber look on that. Obviously, the seating is amazing. I just feel like the whole interior on the 9th Gen Si is improved. The dash, you know, everything looks good. Sitting in here and it's like, I have this whole dash cluster right here, but if I want to access anything right here, it's just like it's angled to you, so it's like easily accessible. I'm in the driver's seat of a 9th Gen Si right now. This is super crazy, and I'm sorry if my face looks like a tomato. You guys can laugh all you want. Make sure she's a newt. Woo! I really like these seatbelt things too right here.
Guess what?
The phone has been connected.
eBay. This thing's more eBay built than mine is, seriously. I mess around with this thing in the parking lot, kind of get the feel for it. Oh my God, it's like... Oh my God, it sounds so good, dude. The clutch feels amazing in this thing, bro.
It doesn't seem like it's not catching or nothing, so.
This thing sounds absolutely amazing. And you have the NVIDIA N1, right?
Yeah.
And then you have the, what downpipe was it again? Tessuto.
Catless.
I haven't even taken this thing on the road yet, and I love the feel of this thing. Almost as much, I think I like this feel more than the 8th gen, bro.
Really?
The shifter is so crisp. The RPMs feel good. Wow, bro. I'm like in heaven. I'm seriously in heaven right now. Guys, I might be turning to the other side. Don't hate me for saying that, but I might be converting to the 9th gen side. The whole setup is perfect. Boy, Gerb is dude, I'm really excited right now, man. This thing is dude, and I haven't even got on it yet, bro. I haven't even got on it. It feels like an 8th gen all refined, dude, like it should be. Like, I wish everything was right. I wish I had this power monitor and all that stuff. As stupid as that sounds, I feel like I like that a lot. I just stall. Finally just rolled back into the hotel right now. Brandon, it was a freaking honor, dude. Like, you don't have people just like come up to you. Obviously we know each other, but like the fact that you let me drive the 9th gen and do a review on it, dude, was awesome, man. And I'm happy that I finally got the difference like in the opinions on both of these cars. And I gotta tell you guys, there is a very slight difference between the two, man. And I'm gonna tell you that I don't like one specifically more than the other. Like, if they were sitting in front of me, it would be hard for me to choose. But like, I feel like I like the 9th gen a little bit more. Is that messed up for me to say, dude? No. I think people are gonna be pretty pissed though. I feel like, you know, all the 8th gen.
Preference. That's the way I look at it.
That's it, man.